In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off animations in Canva. Whether you're preparing a simple presentation or creating a design with a more static feel, turning off animations can help focus attention on your content. Let's dive straight into the process. First, open your browser and head over to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll see a login button conveniently located in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to sign in using your personal credentials. You have the flexibility to log in using your Google account, your Facebook account, or simply with your email. Choose the option that works best for you and you'll be inside Canva in no time. Once you're logged in and have opened the design you're working on, you'll want to identify the specific element from which you'd like to remove animations. This can be a text box, image, or any other element in your design. Click on that element to select it. You'll notice a toolbar that appears offering a variety of options for editing your selection. Now focus on the toolbar and locate the Animate button. It'll open up a range of animation options that are currently applied to your chosen element. Click on Animate to proceed, and you'll be presented with different animation effects you can choose from. However, since we are here to remove any animations, what you need to do is simply select the None option. This action will remove any animations that were previously applied to your selected element, leaving it as a static piece on your canvas. If you want to remove animations from other elements in your design, just repeat this simple process for each one. But what if your whole page has transitions and you want to get rid of those too? Well, Canva makes it just as easy. Choose the page in question from your design that has an unwanted transition. Next, navigate to the Page Animations panel. The layout closely resembles the individual element animations, providing a straightforward user experience. Here, once again, you'll be looking to select the None option. This will effectively remove all transitions from the current page, leaving it transition free and giving your audience a seamless viewing experience. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently turn off any unwanted animations and transitions in your Canva design. This process provides a clean, uninterrupted presentation of your content exactly as you intended. Thank you for tuning in today. Be sure to check more Canva tips and tricks so you can harness the full potential of this fantastic design tool. Until next time, happy designing.